Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got my box that came from Crafty Chef Diamond, which is Laura here on YouTube. But inside this box, this big old honker of a box, I have got some stuff in here from Maritza from Kiss My Crafts, and also from Vivian Diamonds Around You, which I'll link all three of them in my description box for y'all to check out. So, this is a large, hefty, heavy box, but I do know that it's been a while, so that she told me she was sending some stuff, and it's just been one of those, she's just added and added and added. So yeah, I'm extremely excited to get in here. And I know there's cookies, and I've been wanting something chocolate for the last 2 days, so I'm excited to get the cookies. But I want to say thank you to Laura and Maritza and Vivian for sending me some stuff. Y'all know you do not have to do that, but you know what? I am very thankful for all three of y'all, for y'all's friendship. And yeah, I am very grateful. Ooh. I hope my lighting is okay. Y'all, I'm going to end up bumping and everything. Okay. Y'all, I have been trying to get stuff ready for a yard sale this weekend, and my back is just absolutely screaming. Okay. Well, let's just unload the box. I don't know what that is. Oh, and there's a note. Get all the bubble wrap. Okay, so looky here. Let's read the note. Alright, says, okay, it says, "Hi Scarlet, thank you for being you. Friends across the miles, and the diamond painting and house is from Maritza. The hot pink bag is from Vivian. And inside the Nike box is the item I did the thing. Make sure you open the thing. You will find something sweet. The other stuff, just items. Love ya, Chef." Okay. So thank you again. So, alright, let's, okay, now I did have instructions from Vivian, and I'm scared to death that I'm going to do a Richard, because she said she had something breakable in here, and that it was stuck in between something and something, and for me not to break it. Okay, so I don't, oh my God, I don't know. I just don't want to be Richard, and I don't want to break nothing. So, and that's just a joke, Richard. I love you. All right, so here is a Minnie. Is she not cute? Oh, I love Disney. I'm not as gung-ho and crazy about Disney as Laura or Richard or Vivian, but yes, I love me some Disney. Okay, let's just take everything out of the box, and then I can just move the box. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know that this is from Maritza, because she had that for me for a long time, and I had forgotten about it, but she didn't. Okay, so, okay. Oh my God. There's a lot of stuff. Alright, let me move this out of the way. Okay. So, let's go Vivian first. Okay, so, what did Laura say? She said, inside, no, the hot pink bag's from Vivian. Okay. Oh my God, I hope I don't break it. Vivian's got me so nervous. Okay. Okay. Ooh, I'm going to pull real slow because I don't know if her thing that's breakable is in here or if it's in one of the other packages. Okay. Ooh. Is that it? I don't know. Oh, aren't these cute? I love these. Thank you, Vivian. Oh, them are so soft, y'all. I hope y'all can see. My lighting is kind of crappy today. Ooh, those are nice and soft. Oh my God. Is this the breakable thing? She has me so flippin' nervous. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I think this is the breakable thing. She said it was little. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Look at that, y'all. Can y'all see? Am I going to have to adjust my lighting? It's a Boston Terrier. Is that not? Oh my God. That is flipping awesome. I love it. Oh, that's going to stay right there on my desk with me. That is so neat. It's a crystal. But it's a Boston Terrier. It's a carved Boston Terrier. Oh, can y'all see that? And it's nice and cool to the touch. Let me see. Open my blinds a little bit more. God, I don't know. Can y'all see that? That is super awesome. I love that. That's going to stay on my desk with me. Thank you, Vivian. I do hope that's what you were talking about, and there's not going to be a surprise in here somewhere, because you made me so nervous. Okay. So here is the diamond painting that is from Maritza. Oh my God. She knows I like purple. She knows I like gnomes. And I think she showed this on her channel. And I said, ooh, I love it. So look, she sent it to me. But look, it is a gnome. And he is reading a book. And it's got purple butterflies. He's got purple flowers. His purple hat. And his little purple feet. Oh my God. Maritza, thank you so much. I love it. Love it. I do. Okay, there's that. Let me stick this back in here because I don't want to lose nothing. Y'all are just the greatest. You really are. And that is one thing that I do love about this bunch of friends, is because we are friends. I have never met not a single one of these people, and I probably won't, just to be honest. I would love to, but yeah, we have just become such good friends, and we talk to each other, and yeah, I love them. So, okay, so this is, I wonder which one this is. Okay, 3013. Oh, I don't know. Well, you know what? Let's just open it up. Oh, I do not have this one. Oh, that's cute. Oh, my God. And Maritza knows I love doing these miniatures. So this is awesome. She told me a long time ago. Like I said, I had forgotten about it until they took their trip to New York and met up with Maritza. And I got a message saying that Maritza was sending me something. I had completely forgotten about this. So it's a good thing she's got a good memory, because I forgot. Thank you, Maritza. Oh my God, I can't wait to do that. I just finished a 3-story miniature house, and Lord, I am taking a break for a minute. So I don't know. Okay, let's look and see what this is. Okay, Oh, is that not cute? How flippin' adorable. Oh my goodness. Every snack you make, every bite you take, I'll be watching you. And they sure do. Don't nothing get past my two boys. Oh my God, I love those. Thank you. I'm going to say that this is, the rest of this is all from Laura. So thank you. I like those. And these are the good ones too. It's not that microfiber. Oh God, I can't stand microfiber. So, okay. Let's open the other one. That's so funny. Oh my God. They're pot holders, but they're gnomes. And look. That is so funny. My husband told me last night, I made lasagna for supper last night. A homemade lasagna. And he was using my pot holders. So this is just so funny. He was using my pot holders, and it burnt him through the pot holder. And he was like, "Where'd you get these cheap suckers?" He goes, "These things need to be pitched." He goes, "They don't work." So this is just funny. It's got that rubber heat thing in there. Oh, that is so funny. How that's just funny. How funny that. Well, he'll like those. Okay, I'm gonna open this big white bag because I don't have a clue. This is all shocking. This is, I never, oh, the big white bag is just stuffing, y'all. I wasn't sure what it was, but it's just, it's like a matting so that, to keep your stuff from getting broke. Okay, so, I'm going to leave this for last because I know my cookies are in there. So this, if y'all have been following Laura, this was that advent calendar that she did at Christmas. And she asked me if I wanted it. And I said, shoot, yeah, I do. But this is heavy. You know, watching her unbox this on her channel, I had no idea that it was, I mean, it didn't look like it was heavy, but it is. But yeah, it's an advent calendar for Christmas. So she just passed this on to me. I love it. I like Nightmare Before Christmas. I really do. So, yes. Alright. So, here is the box. And she's got all these little stickers on here. And I wonder if I can take those off and salvage them. Those are too cute. Okay. So, let's open it up. Ooh, I like that color. Okay. Oh, she did not. Oh, my God. Laura. Look what she did. Look, she has already sent me a wallet that matches it, and I use it all the time. And now she has sent me the bag. Is this not awesome? Oh my God. That is so cute. And that is nice. Look, and there's 0, and I love these flowers. They are so pretty. And this up here is embroidered. That is like a stamp like thing. It's made on there, but this here is embroidered. And then it's got the logo on here. It's the Disney Nightmare Before Christmas. Oh my God, and it's got a big old strap. Oh my God. Oh, I love it. Oh my God. Okay. Whoops. Wrong way. Okay. And look. Ain't that the best thing to look, you know, other than money, would be cookies. Oh my God. I'm going to have to hide these from my husband. Look at all the cookies. I was excited about the cookies. Y'all didn't have to do none of this. I just wanted the cookies. You know, it's not like I couldn't go down to the grocery store and buy some darn cookies. But you know what? Laura's homemade cookies are better. So much better. Look at that. Oh, my God. I'm going to eat that one right there. But actually, I could probably only eat about half of it. and then save the rest for later. Maybe. I don't know. I'm pretty hungry. I've been working all day doing stuff with getting stuff ready for this stupid yard sale. And I haven't stopped since this morning. My back is screaming. I'm about to burn up. I took a shower this morning. Now I feel like I need to take another one. So, yes. Oh my God. Laura, that is so nice. Thank you. And thank Maritza, and thank you to Vivian, because I love my stuff. I do. I really do. And I just adore that. I really, really like that. He's going to sit on my desk with me while I diamond paint. Yep, he's going to be my companion all the time. Yep, I got to come up with a name for him. What am I going to name him? Because my real boys is Booger and Buster. So I need a name for him. So, all right, y'all. Thank you for watching. And Vivian, thank you so much, girl. You did not have to do any of this. Maritza, thank you so much. You definitely didn't have to do anything either. And Laura, you did not have to do this either. But I am so thankful for all three of y'all. I really love my friends that I have made in this group. And there's more of you. It's not just these three ladies. There's more. I just hate calling out names because I always miss somebody and then I feel horrible. So for now, I'm just going to say to these three ladies, thank you so much. I love y'all. Y'all are the best. I have been watching y'all since the very beginning. Maritza, I have been watching you since probably for 4 years. And then when Laura and Vivian come along, I started watching them from the beginning. So yes, this is so special to me. And you don't forget the people that, you make a connection with. So, all right, y'all, I'm going to stop there before I get kind of choked up here. So, all right, anyway, I love you three. Thank you so much. And I'm going to go eat that cookie right there. And I'm going to hide the rest. So, all right, love y'all. Thanks for watching. Bye.